Okay, this is another example of the event management system that I've introduced into the software. In the first place, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be using a Microsoft Access database as the back-end database. I could use the internal SQLite database if I wanted to by simply changing one line just to say in a macro to say that I'm using this connection rather than that connection. So over here I've got an Access database, this table called patterns I'm going to populate from the drawing. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the drawing, and you can watch here, you can see the chart over here, you can see the report output over there, the quick find window over there, and then the drawing over here. So what I'm going to do is do something like a block stretch. So I'm just going to do a block stretch scope. I'm going to pick that point up there, move it over by 5 meters, and I'm just going to put a box around this. It isn't exactly, you see there, and I'll just do a recalculation. Now you see immediately the patterns have changed there, the reports have changed, and that the assembly hall is now bigger. If I press undo, you'll see that it recalculates itself. If I press redo, it recalculates itself. Now what I'm going to do is just delete some patterns. So as I'm deleting, going through, you'll notice that it's updating throughout the whole system. So I'm just going to delete the assembly hall. You'll see that disappears. I press undo, and it will now start bringing that back. Undo that pattern over there, zoom in into the drawing over here, go and delete that pattern over there. Now here, for instance, I'm going to edit a pattern, and I'm going to click on that pattern over there, and you'll notice that on the data control over here that pattern is now automatically highlighted. So as I'm going through and I'm editing another pattern, this one over here, you'll see that another one has now been changed. So the system is now monitoring itself. As we go along, as the drawings change, we can then act on that information. And it's quite a sophisticated system, and I'm sure there could be lots and lots of applications for this. Just want to get back into the whole idea that Genes1s CAD is an excellent system, and just want to get more people using it. So that's why all this hard work's been happening. So I'll send this video through to you now, and enjoy. Cheers.